Today I'm going to talk about the text editor columns feature in Elementor. This feature allows you to divide your text editor widget into multiple columns with the ability to specify responsive options per device. But first, let me introduce myself. Hi, I'm Mick the WordPress Mentor. I help DIY website creators to succeed with WordPress using Elementor. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to be alerted when I add new videos. So, let's get started. In the widget panel, click and drag the text editor widget into your design. Let's add some text and style it to fit our design. Under the Styling tab, go to Columns and select how many columns you want to split the text into. Under Columns Gap, select the gap that you want between the columns. Let's check it on mobile devices. To quickly jump between each responsive mode, on the keyboard press Ctrl or Command-Shift-M to switch. Now you can select how many columns you want on each device, and also you can set the columns gap too. And that's it. For a detailed walkthrough, please be sure to read my blog post. The link is attached in the description. Thanks for watching. Cheers, Mick.